The 2015 Toyota Prius. Prius offers harmony between man, nature, and machine. Using the wind, the sun, and advanced hybrid technology, Prius is a true full hybrid, one reason for its EPA estimated combined 50 mpg rating. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, navigation system, dual airbags, power steering, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, 8 speakers, CD player, rear window defroster, heated front seats, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, remote keyless entry, panic alarm, brake assist, overhead console, tilt steering wheel. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.